My name is Sumay Waikunya from class 3. Today I am going to speak about the important and benefit of pineapple. As we all know, pineapple is a fruit that grows on pineapple plants. It has sweet and juicy, fresh and a tough roots that protects the fruit inside. It contains vitamin C. Firstly, let me highlight the importance of pineapple. Number 1, rich in vitamin C. Number 2, support digestive health. Number 3, support bones health. Number 4, helps to improve eyes health. Number 4, support healthy skin. Secondly, the benefits of pineapple are: number 1, boost immunity. Number 2, support the immune system. Number 3, rich in vitamin and minerals. Number 4, helps to reduce cancer risk. In conclusion, pineapple provides numerous health benefits and is a part of a balanced diet. Thank you.